How to use the dishwasher. You're going to fill it up. Cups and everything go up here. Bottle stuff. I usually wash them right here, but sometimes we get lazy and put them there. Plates go down here, silverware there. And then when you have a full load, make sure you have the whole dishwasher full. You take this dishwasher detergent and you put it in here and you fill it up, just in this one. And then you seal it. You shut it and you push start. Then it should be on normal wash, not anything else, only this one. And then you push start. And that blue light will be on, and then you shut it. And it will start.